Good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen how to find mean using direct method. Today we will see how to find mean using step deviation method. I'll read the sum. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages in rupees. It means this is class interval. 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180. And these are number of workers, means these are the frequencies. 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Find the mean daily wages of the workers. Here also we have to find mean. The method is step deviation method. Now let's see what is the solution of this method. I'll rub this and then we'll see what columns we have to take. So daily wages in rupees, we'll call it as class interval. We'll call it as class interval. This is FI. I will write here 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. I'll rub this. Here I will write XI. XI means class mark. We have seen how to find XI. XI is equal to lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Let's see the first XI. 100 plus 120 is 220. 220 upon 2 is 110. Similarly, we'll see the XI for the second class interval. 120 to 140 is 260. 260 by 2 is 130. 140 to 160 is 300. 300 by 2 is 150. 170 and 200 plus 180 is 380. 380 by 2 is 190. These are the XI. Now the next part is we have to find UI. UI is equal to XI minus A upon H, and the last column is FI UI. After finding XI, you have to find UI. Formula for UI is equal to XI minus A upon H. XI means class mark. A is assumed mean. Assumed mean means we have to see the average from XI. So here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 numbers, means they are odd. So you have to take the middlemost number, which will be A. So here I will take assumed mean as 150. Again I repeat, assumed mean, okay, we have to take it from XI. If you see here in XI there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So 150 is the middlemost number, that is assumed mean. Okay? And height. Height we have seen yesterday. Formula for height is upper limit minus lower limit. So we will see what is height here. Okay? If you see height is 120 minus 100. Height will be 20. Height will be, I will write here, height is equal to 20. If you say any class interval, see here 120 minus 100 is 20. Even if you take 180 minus 160, height is same. So height will be same. Now we will see how to find UI for the first class interval. XI is 110 minus assumed mean is 150. So it becomes 110 minus 150 is minus 40. Minus 40. Minus 40 upon H. H is 20. So minus 40 upon 20 is minus 2. So again I repeat how to find UI. UI is equal to XI minus A upon H. First exercise 110. 110 minus assumed mean 150. 110 minus 150 is minus 40 upon h is 20. Minus 40 upon 20 is minus 2. Now we'll see the second UI. 130 minus assumed mean is 150. 130 minus 150 is minus 20 upon height is minus 20. That becomes minus 1. Sorry, height is 20. Now, UI, this is 150, xi is 150 minus assumed mean is also 150. So 150 minus 150 is equal to 0. 0 upon height is 20 is 0. Now the next class interval is, okay, 170 is xi minus assumed mean is 150. 170 minus 150 is equal to 20 and 20 upon height is 20. 20 upon 20 is 1. Now we'll find UI for the last class interval. 190 is xi minus assumed mean is 150. 190 minus 150 is 40. 40 upon height is 20 is 2. Now we have to find Fi UI. Fi UI means multiplication of frequency and UI. So it will be 12 into minus 2 minus 24. 14 into minus 1 is minus 14. 8 into 0 is 0. 6 ones are 6. 10 twos are 20. This is the way to find Fi UI. Now I will write here summation of Fi. I will add here. The addition comes to 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10 is 50. Now let's see what is this summation of Fi UI. First I will add minus 24 minus 14. Minus 24 minus 14 gets added, but sign will remain negative. So it is 4 plus 4, 8, and this is 3. It is minus 38. And this is 20 plus 6 is 26. Now I will subtract 38 and 26. 38 is negative and 26 is positive. So let's see what is the answer. Minus 38 plus 26. 8 minus 6, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. It is minus 12. So summation of Fi is equal to minus 12. Now what I will do? I will write the formula. I will write the formula for finding mean using step deviation method. Is it clear, the whole table? Can I proceed further? Sure? Okay. Now I will rub this and then I will write the values. I will write the formula here. X bar is equal to A plus summation of Fi Ui upon summation of Fi into H. This is the formula for step deviation method. X is equal to A plus summation of Fi Ui upon summation of Fi into H, where A stands for assumed mean. Summation of Fi Ui minus 12. Summation of Fi 50 into height 20. Now I will place the values. Is equal to assumed mean was 150. Summation of Fi Ui is minus 12. So this is plus. But as summation of Fi Ui is minus, it will become minus 12 upon 50 into height is 20. This 0 gets cancelled with this 0 is equal to 150 minus 12 to is 24 upon 5. X bar is equal to 150 minus. Now should I rub this? So we will do the division and we will see what is the answer. We'll see here what is 24 upon 5. 5 fours are 20. This is 4. 5 eights are 40. This is 0. So that will be 4.8. X is equal to 150 minus 4.8. Let's see. 150 minus 4.8. This will be 10 minus 8, 2. This will be 149. 149 minus 4 is 145.2. So x is equal to 145.2. So this is the mean of the daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. So this is the method to find mean using step deviation method. Again, I ask you to go through the whole solution so that you understand each and every part of this sum. So you will find it very easy to solve the remaining sums after I solve few more sums on the board. Friends, now this is the sixth sum of the exercise mean. The example is the table shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. This is daily expenditure, means class interval 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. And these are the frequencies, that is number of households 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. Method is same as what we have seen in the last sum. What I will do, I'll write all the columns. First column will be class interval, second will be frequencies, third will be xi, fourth will be ui is equal to xi minus a upon h, and last will be fi ui. Should I rub this now? Okay. I'll make this as class interval and I'll rub this and I'll write this as fi. This is 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. And this is xi. ui is equal to xi minus a upon h. And last is fi ui. Xi. We know the formula for xi. Xi is equal to lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So here xi is 100 plus 150 is 250. 250 upon 2 is 125. The second xi is 150 plus 200 is 350. 350 upon 2 is 175. 200 plus 250 is 450. 450 upon 2 is 225. 300 plus 250 is 550, and 550 by 2 is 3, 4, 5. Let's see, 250 by 2, 250 plus 200 was 450. 450, yes. So this is 250 to 300. So it will be 275. And last is, this will be 350 plus 300 upon 2 is equal to 325. Now ui is equal to xi minus a upon h is okay. The next part which you have to do here. Before finding you have to find assumed mean. So here assumed mean is the middlemost number, that is 225, and height is upper limit minus lower limit, that is 150 minus 100. So I will write h somewhere here. H is equal to 150 minus 100 is 50. So we'll find first ui. ui is equal to xi minus a upon h. First xi is 125 minus Assumed mean is 225. 125 minus 225 is minus 100 upon height. Height is 50. Minus 100 upon 50 is minus 2. We'll find second UI. 175 minus A. A is 225. That will be 175 minus 225. Right? That will be 225 minus 175 is 50. So minus 50 upon 50 is minus 1. Now next UI is xi minus a upon h. Same. But here xi is 225 as well as a is 225. So 225 minus a is also 225. That is equal to 0. 0 upon 50 is 0. So it will be 0. Now next UI. 275 minus 225 is 50. Upon h is 50. So it will be 1. Last UI is equal to xi is 325 minus a is 225. That is 100. 100 upon height is 50. 2. Now you find fi ui. Method is same. Multiply 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 12 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Now we'll see. Summation of fi. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 12 plus 2 plus 2. That becomes 25. Now we'll see fi. Minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 13 plus 6 is, I'll write here. Minus 13 plus 6 is minus 7. So the table is ready. Now we have to find mean using the formula. I'll rub this table, I'll write a formula and place the values. So formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi ui upon summation of fi into h. X bar a was 225. This is plus summation of fi ui, but it is minus 7 upon summation of fi is 25 into height. Height we have seen. Height was 50. So I'll write here upon 50. Now I'll rub this. X bar is equal to 225. This is 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. Minus 7 twos are is 14. X bar is equal to 225 minus 14 is 211. So this is mean. So the method of finding mean by step deviation method is like this. Friends, you have to solve the more sums using the same method.